Hi, lovely people. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. So this morning when I woke up, I was really craving for tuna sandwich. And since I shopped yesterday and I had everything at home, I decided to make one for myself. So why don't I film and then share this recipe with you also? Stay tuned whilst I take you through how I made this delicious tuna sandwich. These are the list of ingredients I use for the sandwich. Okay, so the first thing I'll be doing is to wash the vegetables with vinegar and then water. Since you're going to eat it raw and then it's not cooked, you have to make sure it's well washed and then clean. Yes, if you don't have the vinegar for washing vegetables, you can use salt. That's okay. Okay, so once I'm done washing the vegetables, I'll go ahead and then slice them and then put them on a plate. Yes, with the onions, I will be cutting some or I will be chopping some into smaller pieces where I will use it to make the sandwich filling. Okay, so another thing I'll be using is also two boiled eggs. Yes, so I'll be slicing one egg and then the other one I will mash it in the filling that I'll be using to fill the bread. Okay, so once I'm done with the vegetables, I'll go ahead and make the filling. So I'll be mashing the yolk, mayonnaise, and then the yogurt. If you don't have plain yogurt, you can just substitute with milk or you can do without it. Mash everything together and then add salt and black pepper to taste. And then I will be cutting my egg white in pieces and then I'll add it to it. Then after that, I'll add the chopped onions and then avocado. If you don't want the avocado too, that's fine, but I think it gives it a very good taste and avocados are healthy, so why don't you add it? Also, if you don't have the whisk, you can just use fork to mash this. I think it doesn't need to be smooth, it just have to be combined. Yes, so add the chopped onions and then the tuna flakes. Yes, I think you can also use corned beef for this recipe if you don't want tuna. That's great. So mix everything together and then fill. Okay, so to the main deal, I'm going to fill the bread. I'm using the foot-long bread. Yes, you can also use the hamburger bread if you want. So I have to apply some of the mixture first so that it helps the lettuce to stick. Yes, you can use any type of lettuce that you also want, even the iceberg lettuce. It's fine, but make sure your lettuce is well washed before you put them, and then you apply the filling again and then you put your vegetables. Arrange it anyhow you want it, but I actually like fancy things, so I did it this way. Another tip, please make sure your vegetables are fresh, especially the tomatoes. Don't choose two soft tomatoes, like medium ripe, and then also the cucumber. I think the green ones are good and then taste fresh, so make sure they are all fresh because it's a raw food and then you didn't want to taste anything bad, so you have to choose good vegetables. Okay, so once you're done arranging your veggies, you apply the rest of the mixture on top of the bread and then you put it on top. Yes, this is how it looks like. Ooh, I'm ready to eat. Okay, please try this recipe, and then it's very filling and very nutritious, trust me. I can't finish all, so I'm going to divide it into two and also to show you how it looks like. There you go. Yes, everywhere is filled up, and then this was so juicy and creamy. I loved everything about it, everything. I'm going to take a bite. Just stay tuned and then watch me eat. All right, so I'll leave you guys here. Please, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Enjoy your holidays. Stay tuned for more recipes. I love you all. Bye bye.